In naming of organic compound, the first thing to do is identify the longest carbon chain. Okay, let's do that. Here, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's count again 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that the longest chain contains 5 carbon atoms. Okay, now let's circle it. This is what our longest what carbon chain. Okay. Now the next thing to do is identify the functional group. Okay, identify what the functional group. But before that, since the chain contains 5 carbon atoms, it's going to answer a name that starts with what? Pent. Okay. Now, identify the functional group. Here, when we look at the carbon chain, we can see that there is a what? A double bond. Okay, because of the presence of this double bond, and the homologous series that has double bond at its functional group is what? Alkene. Is what we call what? Alkene. Okay, since this compound belongs to alkene, it's going to answer a name that ends with what? Ene. Okay, Ene. Are we together? Now the rule says identify the substituents. Okay, here we have a substituent. Here we also have what? A substituent. Now the rule says when there is a functional group and a substituent, we should give preference to the functional group. That is, we should give the functional group the lowest possible number. Now let's count. From this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The functional group is at carbon number 3. Now let's count from this place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The functional group is at carbon number 2. So 3 and 2, which one is the lowest? 3 and 2. So we are going to take 2. That's the lowest possible number. That is, this is what our starting point. So we are going to have pent 2E. Okay, now this a substituent, this is what a substituent, this is what methyl. Okay, this is methyl and this is also methyl. Now, since this is our starting point, this methyl is at carbon number 2 and this one is at carbon number 3. So we are going to have 2, 3 dimethyl pent-2E. That's the name of this what? Compound. 2,3-dimethyl pent-2E. This 2 means that the functional group is at carbon number 2. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.